You've heard the proverb, as iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. At the Anvil Mastermind, we live by this principle. We believe in the power of transformation. In our community of small business owners, we come together to sharpen our skills, hone our mindset, train our physical bodies, and thrive in the face of challenges. We understand the journey because we've been there too. It's about facing the fire, embracing the grind, and emerging stronger than ever. Ready to sharpen your entrepreneurial edge? Join the Anvil Mastermind community, where together we'll become unbeatable.